Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. My software is giving me a buy signal opportunity. About to take the buy. There you go. Okay, setting my take profits. And today is the 24th of August 2023 still. Yes, there you go. We started this account with $250. Okay, we're moving into profit very fast. I can see we started this account with $250. Okay, we started this account 4 to 5 months ago. Scalping, we've made $10,000 withdrawal. We've made over $45,000 profit. I'll be making an extra withdrawal once we reach 55 or 50,000 more profit again. If you want to copy my trades, sign up in Yoga Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account to be able to connect to my account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and I'll get back to you. And also, if you want to test this software that gives me when to buy, where to sell, all the analysis that I need, the market direction for swing trades, for scalping, for exiting, for hedging, you want to test it for 2 weeks, sign up in Yoga Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about testing the software. And yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. We're moving into profit very quickly. There you go. Take profits hits. Take profits hits. Just like that. Just like that, in about a minute of scalping. This is how it's supposed to be. Remember, if you want to buy the course, you want to learn how to do this yourself. I teach live scalping, live swing trades, live hedging. We'll take live trades with my account, and you'll see how it's done, and you get thoughts how it's done also with live trades. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and there you go. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click all the notification bells on so that you stay updated on videos like this. And yeah, that's how trading should be. Beautiful. We'll be right back with another trade very soon.